It's day 6, non-stop raining here, and outside it's cloudy, and you can see it's now not raining, but you can see clearly the cloud, um, and raining non-stop, and it is like flood. But yeah, I think um, the weather is very cool and calm, but I don't like non-stop raining because I can't go outside and it's raining, because sometimes mood changes when too much rain goes on day by day outside, and you know we can move to outside, and sometimes where our mood goes low. So this happens. This is day 6 non-stop raining. Just to show you guys. Thank you.